मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है।
तो उसको लेट नाइट खाओ या ब्रेकफास्ट में खाओ या लंच में खाओ।
परफेक्ट अमाउंट ऑफ स्वीटनेस, सॉफ्ट है, फजी है।
It's delicious, so delicious.
बहुत ही ज्यादा स्वादिष्ट होती है।
Who has the best Zomato order?
Young lady. Oh, look, you're here too.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia and in today's video you saw exactly what happened. I collected a bunch of Zomato orders and they are not just any other orders but exactly what your favorite Indian YouTubers slash influencers love, order and reorder from Zomato. So मैंने सोचा आज we will find out who has the best Zomato order. I have so much food in front of me that I can't wait to dive in. But hello Zomato, are you watching? Please sponsor our part 2 because if this goes well, I don't mind doing a part 2. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel below, follow me on my Instagram, and without further ado, let's just get started. Before we start diving into the food, I want to quickly know what is the total amount that you spend on Zomato every month. So without cheating, leave them in the comments right now. So we are not following any specific order. पहले मैंने सोचा alphabetical order में जाती हूँ, it would be fair, but for some reason it did not work out. तो सबसे पहले we have Nagma Mirajkar. I love that girl's makeup. Every time I meet her, her hair, her makeup, her outfit is looking so perfect that I feel like how in the world possibly does she look this good every single time? But nevertheless, if you want to know what she loves from Zomato, let's watch the video now.
Hi, so I have recommended Dahi Batata Puri from this place called Punjab Sweet House, and they have amazing things as well. But I love their Dahi Batata Puri. वो जो दही बटाटा पूरी है उसमें परफेक्ट जो दही होता है, यूजुअली कभी कभी दही बहुत पतला होता है या बहुत थिक होता है, बट इनका जो दही है वो क्रीमियर एंड फ्रेश फील होता है मुझे. एंड आई लाइक द टेक्सचर ऑफ दही बटाटा पूरी जो इनके पास होती है, एंड द टेस्ट, मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. एंड येस, आई होप यू लाइक इट. और भी बहुत रिकमेंडेशंस है बट आई वांट यू टू स्टार्ट विद दिस. और कुछ भी रहेगा मैं पर्सनल पे आई कीप ऑन रिकमेंडिंग, बट येस डेफिनेटली ट्राई इट एंड लेट मी नो कि कैसा लगा. थैंक यू.
Okay, so we have the dahi batata puri here. I feel like I should have called for the stuff separately because अभी वो एक साथ आया है. I'm sure it has gone soggy. But we will keep that area aside and still like kind of judge the dahi batata puri. By the way, my favorite chaat is dahi puri and pani puri, so I'm so excited to try this one. और मैंने पंजाब स्वीट हाउस कभी नहीं ट्राई किया, so this is a first. Let's dive in. I'm taking a huge bite of it. It's so indulgent. Oh my god. It's really nice. I get what she meant by the perfect amount of dahi consistency because this is literally that, and the perfect amount of sweet and spice. It's really good. Okay, so you get about 6 puris for 155. It is slightly expensive, I mean, but I feel like it is also giving me a lot of Elko ki dahi puri. If you've tried it, you might relate to what I'm saying, but definitely the taste is worth the price, and I think I would obviously also like to order it. If I have to rate it, I think it would get a solid 9 on 10. काफ़ी खट्टी मीठी शुरुआत हुई है इस वीडियो की, बट वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू समथिंग जिसका मुझे डर है कि वो सॉगी हो जाएगा, फिर मज़ा नहीं आएगा. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द क्रिएटर हु इज़ योर एंड माय फेवरेट. आई थिंक वो सबकी फेवरेट है, आशी खन्ना. लेट्स सी व्हाट शी हैज़ टू से.
Hi Alfia, Ashi this side. Thank you for having me here on your channel. So according to me, I think मुझे जब मैं मुंबई थी सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद था बनाना लीफ का Mysore सादा डोसा and the pori idli that they have there. It's so good. I used to order it all the time और जाके भी बहुत खाती थी. So that would be my recommendation for you. I hope you enjoy. If you love South Indian, you'll love it. Trust me.
Okay, so she's recommended South Indian from Banana Leaf. I have not tried this restaurant before. But something that she's recommended, guys, I'm not even lying when I say that this is my order. My sister is sitting right behind the camera, ask her. मैं जहाँ जाती हूँ, my order is literally podi idli. I love it to bits, and also Mysore sada, sometimes Mysore masala also. So basically, this is my favorite order, and if I like it, maybe this could be the it place where I order my podi idli from. It's looking so cute, एकदम ही छोटी छोटी podi idlis है ये. So basically these are minis, and I think I paid about 400ish for my order, which is not bad. मतलब अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट में तुम खाओगे साउथ इंडियन तो इतना ही होता है बिल टोटल. I will first dive into the idli. I love the bite size one, and I'm gonna try it with this orange chutney. मैं usually ये prefer करती हूँ. Let me know if you're like a white chutney person or orange chutney person. Nice. I'm gonna dip this in some sambar just to see if that tastes better. The sambar is really, it's hitting the spot. The sambar is really good. For me, I generally judge the restaurant, South Indian restaurant, with its sambar. Like if that's good, you've nailed it. So with the sambar, the idli tastes better. I think I'm gonna give my verdict after I go in with the dosa. थोड़ा सा soft तो हो गया, but obviously अगर आप order करोगे तो ऐसे ही होगा. And I'm sure Ashi also eats it like this because she mentioned that वो भी order ही करती है. It's a nice thin dosa, and I am confused if I should go in with. Let me just take some chutney. This is the white coconut basic chutney, and I will also dip this in the sambar. So the Mysore sada, I don't think I really liked it that much. I feel like I've had better, but the idlis are so yum. And if I have to rate it, I think I'm gonna give this entire meal a 7 on 10. Next up, we have Gopali. Oh my god, I love that girl's vibe. But because I've traveled with her, I kind of know her food choices. So मैं थोड़ी सी prepared थी of what she's gonna recommend. You will know what I'm saying. Let's see the video.
हेलो जी, हेलो अल्फिया के प्यारे प्यारे सब्सक्राइबर्स. फर्स्टली थैंक यू सो मच अल्फिया फॉर मेकिंग मी पार्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो. मुझे बहुत मजा आती है जब भी मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को अपना फेवरेट खाना टेस्ट करा पाऊँ. सो आई वांट यू टू ट्राई फार्मर्स कैफे का एवोकाडो टोस्ट. आई नो इट साउंड्स वेरी बेसिक, बट देयर एवोकाडो टोस्ट इज द बेस्ट. वो जो गार्लिकी फ्लेवर है, आई लव इट. एंड सेकेंड, आई वॉन्ट यू टू ट्राई देयर मैंगो चिया सीड पुडिंग. बहुत ही ज्यादा स्वादिष्ट होती है. आई होप यू विल ऑल्सो एंजॉय इट. एंड या, थैंक यू. टाटा.
If you also watch Gopali's videos or vlogs, you know कि वो literally हर जगह जाके avocado toast खाती है. I remember बाली में कितने रेस्टोरेंट, कितने कैफेज में गए थे हम, और इसका ऑर्डर यही था. So I know her obsession for this. Fun fact, I have tried Farmers Cafe and I genuinely really like the restaurant. The fact that it's very healthy. They actually use healthier ingredients for like everything, which is crazy. Also, Saif Ali Khan's sister has also mentioned that she likes a particular cake from them. So this is actually the It restaurant in Bandra. But they sadly don't deliver, which is crazy because the location was 5 minutes away, but they were kind of not delivering on Zomato. तो मैंने उनको personally call करके ही मंगाया. अब हमारे पास है avocado toast with the blueberry chia pudding, for which I paid about 1055. I would say not that expensive considering कि ingredients are healthier, and yeah, I mean the avocado toast, but only came with one piece, which is a little sad because at least 2 pieces देते. Yeah, it's just one single piece, so थोड़ी सी sad हूँ मैं, but not that sad. Let's quickly take a bite of the avo toast. So basically, me and my sister are literally trying to find the best avo toast in Mumbai. Have we tried this? I don't think so. We've not tried Farmers Cafe, so maybe if we like this, we could change our minds. It has a really nice multi-grain bread और काफ़ी thick layer of guacamole है इसके ऊपर. एंड इसके नीचे भी कोई एक लेयर है जो आई थिंक वो गार्लिक वाला है, जो मुझे गोपाली ने बोला था. वाओ, एग्जैक्टली, इट इज द garlic layer that's adding so much to it. This could be one of the best avo toast that I've tried. I swear it's really good. I love it. And then we have the blueberry chia pudding. So basically उसने mango chia pudding बोला है, but mango season is sadly over, so we could only get our hands on the blueberry one. I feel like obviously mango is the king of fruits, तो वो better taste करेगा. But nevertheless I wanted to try their chia pudding क्योंकि मैंने कभी try नहीं किया है. ये काफ़ी अच्छे कंटेनर में आया है, which was very surprising. Okay, I'm gonna take the syrup, the chia pudding and the blueberry, everything together. They've used coconut milk. I don't like coconut milk, which is why it has a weird taste. That's not my preference. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. That's not my thing at all. Okay, so I was kind of thinking what to rate, and I realized कि यार blueberry chia pudding गोपाली का order नहीं था, so it would be unfair to rate it on the basis of that because I clearly did not like it. So we will play fair. We will only include the hour toast, and on the basis of that, I think I am gonna give this meal a 9 on 10. चलो अब बहुत हो गया चाट स्नैक्स, अभी प्रॉपर मील्स के तरफ बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव ऋषभ चावला एंड आई लव दिस गाइज क्रिएटिविटी इन द वीडियोज दैट ही ब्रिंग्स आउट एंड हिज परफ्यूम कलेक्शन इज इंसेन एंड मैसिव. बट इफ यू वांट टू नो व्हाट ही लव्स फ्रॉम Zomato, then let's watch the video.
Hello Alfia, first of all thank you so much for having me on your channel and I have a very interesting dish for you जो मैं ऑलमोस्ट हर बार जब भी मैं दिल्ली मुंबई करता हूँ, जैसे ही मुंबई वापसी आता हूँ मैं, मेरा वो हमेशा एक मील रेडी रहता है कि मेरे को आती सबसे पहले मुंबई वो खाना है, विच इज फ्रॉम अंडा अपना अपना. आई नो बहुत अलग बहुत यूनिक सा नेम है, बट उधर की डिशेज आर सो गुड. मतलब यहाँ पे सारी एग बेस्ड डिशेज मिलती हैं तुम्हें, अंडा पाव, अंडा भुर्जी, सब कुछ, मतलब अंडा मैगी, एवरीथिंग इज रिलेटेड टू एग. सो वहां से जो भी मेरा दिल्ली से भी स्पेशली फ्रेंड आता है, मैं उसको हमेशा मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि वो जरूर ट्राई करवाऊँ. सो वहां का आपको ट्राई करना है रॉबर्ट मसाला भुर्जी along with Inspector Afghani with butter pav. I'm sure you will love it because it's so good. तुम उसको डिनर, मैं उसको वैसे हमेशा लेट नाइट मील्स में खाता हूँ एट टाइम्स, तो तुम उसको लेट नाइट खाओ या ब्रेकफास्ट में खाओ या लंच में खाओ, कभी भी खा सकते हो. इट्स सो गुड. सो आप उसको किसी भी अपने मील में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हो. सो ऑल द बेस्ट. आई होप यू विल लाइक इट. सी यू.
Guys, like what a great find because this place has some crazy kinds of anda related stuff. मैंने अंडा सेव पूरी भी देखा bro, like what the hell. This has a crazy menu and इनके नाम भी अगर आप देखोगे, इंस्पेक्टर अफगानी and रॉबर्ट भुर्जी, like what are these names? They are so fun. And नगमा ने भी actually मुझे ऐसा कुछ recommend किया था, so I'm assuming this is a really like loved place for like अंडा भुर्जी and stuff. I am excited. I love अंडा भुर्जी पाव. एंड मस्त बटर में लथपथ हमको पाव मिला है. माई न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट इज नॉट गोना बी हैप्पी, बट लेट्स डाइव इन एंड टेक अ बाइट ऑफ द भुर्जी. This is so good. It is so nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the best burji I've ever had in my life. Not even kidding. Like, this is so nice. Bro, you have to try it. You have to try it now. This is crazy. We were sleeping on this. Nice. I love it. I want to have more. But we are going to move on to the Afghani. अफगानी यूजुअली ग्रीन कलर की होती है जितना मुझे पता है, तो ये थोड़ी सी अलग है. रेड कलर की ग्रेवी है एंड आई एम ऑल्सो सीइंग कुछ रेशे रेशे जैसा. आई थिंक दैट इज लाइक अंडा क्रश किया हुआ है. लेट्स डिप इट नाइसली एंड ब्रो, it's really good, but for some reason it's not giving me Afghani. Like the Afghani chicken और अफगानी अंडा that I've tried taste different, but ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बुरा है, but ये अलग है. But I still feel like the burji tops the list for sure. It is something else. Trust me. I can't stop having this, guys. It is so good. Plus, I think I spent about 600 for these two, which is not bad. I really want to take my friends here क्योंकि सुबह सुबह यहाँ पे बैठ के नाश्ता करने में तो भाई पागल हो जाएंगे, हमारा दिन बन जाएगा. And if I have to rate it, like, girl, there's nothing else that I can say, but it is a 10 on 10. Okay, we have Bruno. This woman is just so cute. She is the first one who replied to me, sent me the video. So thank you, Bruno. And I love Mucha. I love this girl. There's just like nothing more to say. She's just the sweetest influencer / creator I've ever met in my life. But what she loves is, you'll know right now.
Hi guys, it's Bruno. Thank you Alfia for this विंडो जो मुझे दिया है. एंड उन्होंने मुझे पूछा कि मुझे क्या पसंद है फ्रॉम जोमेटो व्हेन आई वाज इन मुंबई. एंड द ओनली थिंग आई मिस सो मच, इट्स अ केक. ऑफ कोर्स मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ी स्वीट टूथ हूँ एंड ये सबको पता है. तो मुझे जो सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ मैं बहुत मिस करती हूँ, एंड आई विश वो यहाँ पे रहता चंडीगढ़ में. इट्स फ्रॉम मैग्नोलिया बेकरी. इट्स द वनीला केक विथ चॉकलेट बटर क्रीम. वो सबसे फेवरेट केक रहा है मतलब मेरे लिए. आई फ्रिकिंग लव दैट केक सो मच. एंड वाई आई लव द केक सो मच बिकॉज उसमें परफेक्ट अमाउंट ऑफ स्वीटनेस, सॉफ्ट है, फजी है, एंड इट्स जस्ट हैव एवरी क्वालिटी जो मुझे चाहिए केक में. वो ऑल इन वन वो स्पेसिफिकली वो केक में है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई रिकमेंडेड अल्फिया कि आप वो ट्राई ज़रूर करना. इट्स वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट्स. इट्स द फेवरेट, लाइक द टॉप वन. सो या मैं बहुत मिस करती हूँ. मुझे लिटरली अभी क्रेविंग कर रही, मतलब मैं लिटरली आई एम क्रेविंग फॉर दैट केक.
The hype is real. Like, I saw her video and I'm like, I need to try this cake. Like, if I am in Mumbai, I'm not trying it, I could be missing out. I have tried this bakery before. I feel like it's very, very famous here in Bandra. And the cake is like a huge slice. I think I paid for about 250-ish for this cake, which is not bad because the slice is huge. And I think मेरे जैसा इंसान जिसको इतना स्वीट नहीं पसंद है, ये उनको 4 दिन लगेंगे ख़त्म करने. बट आई विल टेक अ नाइस बाइट ऑफ द स्पॉन्ज, द क्रीम, everything, so we are not being unfair. But ooh, I love the sponge. Okay, I'm gonna take another bite क्योंकि मेरे को अलग thoughts है थोड़े.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Okay, I've decided. So the cake is nice, but the cream has the sugar flavor, which is very like वो ऐसे आयंगर बेकरी के केक्स में जो क्रस्टी क्रस्टी शुगर फ्लेवर आता है ना, वैसा है. इट्स नॉट गिविंग लाइक रिच. इट्स नॉट गिविंग रिच टू मी. आई don't think I enjoyed it that much. I do like the sponge, but the cream is just no, not a fan. And about the rating, I think I'm gonna give it a 5 on 10. Next up, we have Anam Chashmawala. If there is something apart from the makeup, the brand that she has, which is amazing, but the minute Anam starts talking, I really want to sit and listen to her. She is so good when she speaks. I love it. This is like a weird thing that I like about her. And me and Anam have a very similar taste in food. We've spent like couple of hours together, and every time we kind of end up having the same thing, ordering the same thing. So I'm really excited to show you what her favorite Zomato is. So let's see now.
Hi Alfia, thank you for including me in this video. You know how much I love food, whether it's taste testing things or whether it's recipes. I am gonna have you try the chicken fried wontons, and the prawns chili dry from Tiffins. These are two dishes that I have personally grown up eating. It was like a weekend thing through most of my bachpan, teens, and even now, if I'm being perfectly honest, jo nahi hona chahiye because it's also deep fried, but it's delicious. So delicious that when I saw your message to have me be part of the video, when I was thinking about it, I went ahead and ordered that for dinner last night, and that's what I ate because of you. So I hope that because of me, you will have these dishes and love them. Lots of love.
It's crazy how Annam spent her childhood eating from this place, and it turns out to be one of our family restaurants also. Like, I remember we used to sit there and have the thread chicken, but what Annam has recommended is something that I've never tried from them. So I'm really excited. मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने wonton भी कभी लाइफ में ट्राई किया. That's never my order, so that's a first. Prawns chili dry, कुछ नया है जो मैंने एक्चुअली कभी नहीं खाया है फ्रॉम टिफिन्स. मुझे लगता है अगर आप बैंड्रा से हो तो आपको पक्का पता होगा ये जगह के बारे में. Wontons are looking so crispy and nice. I don't know if I should dip it in this chutney or this chutney. I'm gonna dip the wonton in this chutney. I hurt myself. It was so crispy. The chicken part is so nice. So good, bro. Anam, I mean, I'm not even surprised. I know your taste in food is top notch. I love it. Why haven't we tried it before though? So nice. I don't think I can stop at the wonton. It's so nice, you guys. But obviously, we'll go ahead and try the prawn chili. Bhai sahab. It basically does have like a seafood smell in it, which is something that not everyone prefers. I don't mind it, but thoda hai. Spice is great, flavors great. This with like plain fried rice would be my wholesome meal. That was just so yum, and I can't wait to have the entire thing after the shoot. But we are on to the ratings. I think I spent about 940 for the two items. Not bad, good, and I would love to like probably try the wonton when it's crispier and at the restaurant, because otherwise also it was still crispy, by the way, so that's really impressive. Apart from the fact that the prawns had a little bit of smell scent to it, I think it was just too good as a meal, something that I would obviously order and try again. So no points to deduct, it gets a 10 on 10. And that was actually it for this video. I had such a nice time, and I really want to thank all of these creators to respond to me, send me videos. That was very sweet of them to actually, you know, kind of help me create this video for you. Let me know if you guys want a part 2. और मुझे पता है आप लोग रुके हो रिजल्ट सुनने के लिए. Who has the best Zomato order? I feel like it was a very close bet between like two favorites. You know that Anda Apna Apna by Rishabh and also Tiffin by Anam, they both got a 10 on 10. But if there is something that really hit the spot, was different, was something that I would reorder and make all of my friends and family try, it would be Anda Apna Apna by Rishabh. It is the clear winner, the best Zomato order that I tried today. Let me know which of these would you like to try, and also let me know which other creators should I include in part 2 of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to stick around. Bye.
पहले तो भूर्जी चालू कर.
Cheers. Bro. Crazy कर दिया. ऐसा लग रहा है रमजान चालू है. हम रोजा खोल के जस्ट हम लोग we're having the feast.
ये भी अच्छा है.